Hello friends, welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. In today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of Daikin AC remote in very easy way. This orange color button is on and off button. With this button you can turn AC on and off. After that the next button is temperature up and down button. The more you reduce the temperature with the temperature down button, the more your AC will start cooling. Its lowest temperature is 18 degrees Celsius. In this temperature AC does a lot of cooling. And if you press the up button of temperature, then its highest temperature is 32 degrees Celsius and your AC will do less cooling. If you want cooling and your electricity bill also comes down, then set your AC to 26 degrees Celsius. And if you are feeling cold in 26 degree, then you set your AC temperature in 27, and if you are feeling 26 degree heat, then you can set your AC in 24 or 25. Next button is power chill. By pressing power chill button, the symbol of power chill comes in remote and your AC will cool down very fast. Suppose you are coming from outside to your room and your room is very hot, then you can use power chill button from remote can do. This will increase the speed of AC fan. The speed will increase and the compressor also starts very quickly and the room starts cooling very quickly. Next button is fan. With the fan button, you can increase or decrease the fan speed of your indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds: automatic, low, medium, and high. You can maintain the fan speed of your indoor unit according to you. Next button is mode. This AC works in 3 modes: cool, fan, dry, and then cool mode. Now let me tell you in detail how the mode works. In cool mode, all the buttons on the remote of your AC will work, and in this mode your AC will do cooling. After that the next mode is fan. Your AC will not do cooling in fan mode, only fan will run in your AC. Suppose there is no fan in your room and it is cold weather and you do not need AC cooling. If you need fan, then you can use fan mode from your AC. After that the next mode is dry. It is rainy season in your area and there is very high humidity in your room and sticky heat. Then you can use dry mode to remove that sticky heat. Then we press the mode button, then we come in cool mode. Next button is swing. Pressing the swing button will start the AC's swing up and down and will work to spread cooling in your room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, you can stop it by pressing the swing button again. Next button is Coanda. This feature creates the Coanda effect for more effective temperature distribution. The Coanda effect provides greater airflow length by streaming cool air upwards along the ceiling. The airflow avoids furniture and obstructions to throw conditioned air to the far wall. This ensures excellent comfort in every corner of the room. For instance, if your room contains too many furniture items. However, with a JTKM air conditioner installed, you will feel the same cooling effect in every nook and cranny of your room. Next button is timer on. The timer works from 1 hour to 12 hours. It is very easy to install the timer. You just have to set the time from the remote. That automatic timer will be set and your AC will be completely off in that time. And the next button is timer and or good sleep. Good sleep works from 1 to 9 hours. In good sleep your AC, suppose whatever temperature you have set, then from up good sleep that temperature will keep increasing 1 degree temperature every hour. Due to cold you will be able to sleep, there will be no problem. You can set the time according to your own. Good sleep is a very good function. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then please like my video.